Okay, product review today is going to be oven fried extra crispy chicken mix. Now, it doesn't even have a name on it. Home style taste without the mess. So, 400 calories, 400, we're going to preheat the oven at 400 degrees. It's suggested that I use a metal tray, but do not use cooking spray on it. Use a baking sheet. Well, it says baking sheet with cooking spray. I'm sorry, and then the egg for moisture, which is pretty much going to make the mix bond with the chicken while it cooks. Looks like it's going to be about 45 minutes for in-bone chicken. So I'm going to try a combination of in-bone chicken and just regular chicken breast, and then I'm going to do half and half. So I'm going to do some that's going to be in the oven. I'm going to do some that's going to be in the air fryer. So we get a cross taste test of which one is better and which one I prefer over the other, if there's any difference at all. So let me go and get this stuff ready. I'm defrosting the chicken now, so I'll be right back. Okay, peeps, got it ready. Let me show you what I got. So this is the oven fried extra crispy chicken mix. This is the chicken breast. Go ahead and do a quick sniff test. Mmm. Hmm. If I didn't know better, I was thinking I was eating fried chicken. That has a very. Let's try the regular chicken. This is really, really interesting because it really does give it a almost fried chicken taste to it. Something actually from the dollar store that actually lives up to its name. That's where I think I got it from, because there's no name. It's pretty much generic and it has no name on it. Didn't come with a bag to mix it. That's really not bad at all. Not at all. And this didn't require any deep frying. Wow. It does have that appearance of fried chicken. Wow. For a very cheap product, I'm very surprised at the results. Because most of these dollar store items usually don't pan out very well. They are so far from what they say they are. You're like, I'll try it anyway. But I'm surprised that this almost lives up to its name. Wow, this is nice. This makes me redo it now. I'm going to have to go get another one of these if I can find it and try it in the air fryer. Because if this came out this well baked, I can only imagine how good it'll come out air fried. And even though it doesn't have air fry instructions, you can pretty much tweak it until you can get it to air fry correctly. But if it tastes like this baked, it would really probably be quite impressive if air fried. Because air fryer gives you that little extra boom boom crispy taste. Wow, that's really good. For a Dollar Tree, I think that was Dollar Tree product. This is not bad. I'd give it like 8.5. I am pleasantly surprised. I would definitely Mix some, maybe some corn or mashed potatoes with it, and there you go. You got yourself a meal. It's pretty easy to make. Take a bowl, take the package in it. I would recommend you buy at least 2 or 3 of these packages. Depends on how much chicken you have and how many you plan on. This one box does live up to the name. It says it makes about six pieces of chicken. That's about what you're gonna get. You might be able to squeeze in another 1 or 2, but 6 is pretty much what you're gonna get out of this. So if you're gonna do several batches of chicken, you can grab a couple of these. I think they, like I said, I think they were a Dollar Tree for $1. Well, $1.25 because nothing's $1 anymore. What I would recommend it, yeah, it'd be a good something to make during the week when everybody's working. You want to make a quick dinner. This will probably fill in. And the best part about it, it's not fried, which is going to keep your cholesterol down a little bit. But until next time, family, take care. I'll be